This week, we'll take a look at an interesting scoliosis technique. And we're advancing you right now. For this lesson, we're going to focus on spinal curvature. To begin with, let's take a look at a standard curvature of a spine. Notice the region highlighted in red. Also notice the curvature. For scoliosis, the example here is a 50-degree Cobb angle. Now that we understand the curvature, let's take a look at modeling it. We have a very similar angle. And as we rotate it anteriorly, note that the curvature changes in 3 planes. From this, let's take a look at the journals. The technique we're looking at today is called a double trajectory technique. In essence, instead of 2 implants for every vertebral body, there are now 4. Also note the implants' proximity with each other, as well as the estimated angle for each implant. Next, we'll take a look at the screws. They focused on 4.5 millimeter, as well as 5.5 and 6.5. Also, notice the range of the torque. We'll be focusing on L2 to L4. Lastly, note the differences between the angle of the trajectory with the sacrum. Next, we'll compare in the cloud. From the journal, we plug in our values for our segments. And then we take a look at the 2 ranges. These are the values we're going to use for training. Finally, we prepare the print. Until next time, keep advancing.